Elegance. It's not just about what you wear, it's how everything comes together. Balance, proportion, visual harmony. And while style may seem intuitive, there's actually a powerful formula behind what we instinctively perceive as beautiful. It's called the golden ratio. I'll show you how the golden ratio works in fashion, how to apply it to elevate your personal style in 8 simple steps, and why it naturally flatters the human body, whether you're dressing for everyday chic or timeless sophistication. This timeless mathematical principle, rooted in nature, art, and architecture, has guided aesthetic balance for centuries. In fashion, it might just be your most underrated styling tool. What exactly is the golden ratio? The golden ratio appears in everything from the spiral of a seashell to the layout of the Mona Lisa to the petals of a flower. It describes a proportion where the larger part relates to the smaller part the same way the whole relates to the larger part. It's not just math, it's visual harmony. It's the reason some designs look just right and why certain silhouettes feel more elevated. In fashion, the golden ratio helps us find that sweet spot of proportion that enhances the natural shape of the body. Here's how to apply the golden ratio to key areas of your wardrobe. Tops and bottoms must be divided into thirds, not halves. The most common styling mistake is dividing the body into halves, wearing long tops with long pants or short tops with short skirts. This can visually cut your body in two, making your frame look shorter or wider. Instead, divide your outfit into thirds. For instance, wear high-waisted trousers or skirts to elongate the bottom 2/3 of your body, while a tucked-in or cropped top becomes the shorter upper third. This naturally flows the golden ratio, approximately 1 to 2, 1/3 on top, 2/3 on bottom, or 2 to 3, 2 parts top, 3 parts bottom, and creates an elegant, elongated silhouette. The result? Your legs look longer, your waist more defined, and the overall appearance is balanced without being too symmetrical. For dresses and skirt lengths, choose hemlines that flatter your legs. Let's talk about hemlines. Whether you're wearing a dress or a skirt, where it ends matters. Midi lengths are golden ratio friendly because they typically hit around 2/3 down your leg, just below the knee or at mid-calf. This creates a naturally flattering line that works on almost every body type. For shorter dresses or skirts, think about where the hem falls in relation to your overall height. A hemline that ends too close to the halfway point of your body can feel abrupt or unbalanced. Instead, aim for a break at the golden third, either just above the knee or slightly below the upper thigh, depending on your height and proportions. With maxi dresses, a cinched waist and a floor-length hem create a beautifully balanced ratio, especially when the waistline sits about 1/3 of the way down from the top of your head to your feet. Outerwear and layering add dimension and balance. Layering isn't just about staying warm. It's a powerful way to apply the golden ratio visually. A full-length coat over a mid-length dress is a classic example of the golden ratio. The same principle applies when layering a cropped jacket over a high-waisted jumpsuit. Avoid coats or cardigans that split your body exactly in half, like the ones that end at your hips when paired with a midi skirt of the same length. Instead, aim for combinations where one element is clearly longer than the other, preserving visual flow. Layer with intention. If one section stands out more prominently, you've instinctively followed the golden ratio. Belts highlight your natural balance. One of the simplest ways to incorporate the golden ratio is by placing a belt at your natural waist, usually about 1/3 down your body. It draws attention to your shape and breaks up an outfit without harshly dividing it. A belt placed too low can throw off your proportions, especially in dresses or jumpsuits. But when positioned right at the golden third, it adds structure, elegance, and a focal point that naturally appeals to the eye. Necklaces and earrings frame and focus the face. Statement jewelry can quickly shift the proportions of your look. Long necklaces that fall just above or just below the bust often follow the golden ratio, enhancing your neckline and creating an elegant line that draws the eye downward. Avoid necklaces that stop mid-torso or directly at the navel, as they tend to disrupt the natural vertical balance. With earrings, opt for styles that frame your face without extending too far below the jawline. The goal is to maintain proportion between the face, neck, and shoulders. With bags, pay attention to proportion and size. Where you carry your handbag matters more than you think. A bag that hangs too low can visually drag down your outfit. Crossbody bags that sit at your natural waist or high hip area often align with the golden ratio, helping to balance the upper and lower body. Smaller bags can enhance a refined look, especially when paired with sleek outfits. Larger totes work best when worn with proportionally structured pieces, like tailored coats or wide-leg pants, to keep everything in harmony. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe for more insights on elegance, confidence, and timeless style. Shoes may be the finishing touch, but they're key players in your golden ratio game. Heels, for instance, elevate not just your height, but your leg-to-body proportion. Even a small block heel can extend your lower third, especially when paired with high-waisted pants or midi skirts. Ankle boots paired with cropped trousers create a natural break at the lower golden third, subtly reinforcing balanced proportions, while knee-high boots help elongate the leg, especially under skirts or dresses that end around mid-thigh or mid-calf. Flats work best when the rest of your outfit keeps the top-to-bottom ratio in check. Think cropped pants, tailored pieces like blazers or pencil skirts, and shorter hemlines where the bottom edge of the hem falls higher on the leg, typically above the knee. Even the placement of patterns can make or break the harmony of your outfit. Color blocking, for example, is most flattering when the color shift happens at golden points, either 1/3 or 2/3 down the torso or leg. Avoid prints that dominate the exact middle of your outfit. Instead, place bold patterns at the top or bottom third to guide the eye naturally. Details like ruffles, buttons, or pleats should also follow this idea. A row of buttons along the top third of a blouse adds a touch of elegance. Extending them all the way down the center can disrupt the visual balance. Trends come and go, but proportions are the foundation of timeless elegance. Clothes that are well proportioned to your body will always look better, regardless of what's trending. When an outfit follows the golden ratio, it naturally flatters the eye. It guides your gaze effortlessly from top to bottom, emphasizing your best features without trying too hard. Let the golden ratio guide your style, transforming every outfit into a thoughtfully balanced ensemble, whether you're wearing something structured or soft, minimalist or statement-heavy. How to dress for your body shape using the golden ratio. Everybody is unique, but the golden ratio can help you enhance your natural proportions, no matter your shape. The hourglass shape already has the natural 1:2 proportions. Emphasize your waist with belts, high-rise bottoms, and wrap dresses to maintain that elegant balance. The pear shape should focus on the upper third. Structured shoulders, boat necks, or statement necklaces can balance your silhouette, while A-line skirts elongate the lower section beautifully. For the rectangle shape, use the golden ratio to create the illusion of curves. Try belted dresses or high-waisted bottoms with cropped tops to simulate a defined waist and visual curves. For the inverted triangle, soften the top third by pairing it with flowy or structured bottoms. Wide leg pants and full skirts help distribute volume downward, achieving that golden balance. Here's how to keep the golden ratio in mind without complicating things. Always aim to divide your body visually into thirds, not halves. Start your outfits with one dominant section, either your top or bottom. Use high-waisted bottoms and tucked-in tops to naturally follow the 2:3 ratio. Belt your waist, especially with dresses and oversized pieces. Choose accessories that sit near your waist, bust, or high hip area. When layering, ensure one piece clearly dominates in length. Remember, elegance isn't about rigid rules. It's about knowing what flatters your frame and understanding why. So why should you care about the golden ratio? Because once you understand it, everything falls into place. Outfits that once felt off will suddenly feel right. Pieces you never wore might find new life when styled differently. You'll begin choosing items not because they're trendy, but because they work with you, not against you. That's the power of proportion. That's the secret to elegance. The golden ratio isn't just a design principle. It's a roadmap to visual harmony. Once you start seeing it, you can't unsee it. From your clothes to your accessories to your overall silhouette, elegance becomes effortless when grounded in balance. If this helped you reframe how you view fashion, don't forget to like and subscribe for more styling breakdowns that blend aesthetics with intention. Let's turn every outfit into a masterpiece. Embrace the golden ratio in your wardrobe. Stay balanced, stay proportionate, stay in visual harmony.